let's make a simple salad, but I'm gonna give you the recipe to my crack sauce, okay? It is gonna blow your freaking mind, all right? This thing is super easy, but it's going viral because everybody freaking loves it. So I'm gonna give that to you today because we're gonna build a salad with it, but a simple, easy cucumber salad with this freaking dressing, with this dip, this dressing, this whatever, right? So the first thing you're gonna do is take about a half a cup or a little more of mayo, any mayo you like. I haven't tried Duke's yet. If you guys think Duke's is better than Hellmann's, let me know. I usually try to make my own, but we ain't doing that today. I'm gonna do about a quarter cup or a little more than a quarter cup of sour cream, about a teaspoon or two of Dijon mustard, and then in here I am going to put in some honey. I'm gonna put in some lemon juice. I'm gonna put in a little bit of soy sauce, about a tablespoon of soy sauce and a teaspoon of lemon juice. And then I have 2.5 to 3 teaspoons of curry powder. This is like what makes it like, what? It is so freaking good, y'all. You can put this on anything. I'm gonna build it with a little cucumber salad, but you can put this on chicken, fish, salmon. Salmon is fish. Y'all know what I'm saying. Steak, the whole thing. Potatoes, all of it, okay? I wanna put this in here. This is a clove of garlic. And that's pretty much it, although this time I'm gonna add a little bit of grated ginger, okay? So not much ginger, just about a teaspoon or so of ginger. I'll make sure all this goes in there, all of that, okay? Now don't get mad at me when you guys try this and it becomes like crack to your family and you gotta make it all the time. Not my problem, all right? I forewarned you. All right, this is all it is. It goes in here. Literally put this on everything. And I make a lot of it because we love it so freaking much. Like we will eat this on everything, everything. And when my kids come over here, it never lasts in the fridge because as soon as they get here, that's the first thing they go for is that bottle with the crack sauce. All right, so this is perfect is what that is. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Okay, so then we are gonna take a cucumber. Now you can, of course, slice this by hand, you know, slice them into small rounds. I have a mandolin because it's that kind of day and I wanna do this really quickly, right? So every time you use a mandolin, if you need to, you can buy a cut glove. I use these sometimes, especially when I'm, working with a lot of product, right? You don't have to. Just my way of saving my poor fingers, right? So you want them about that big, okay? All right, that's gonna go in here. Now you can do this, like I said, by hand. We ain't doing that today, but you could definitely do it by hand. It's just quicker for me to do it this way. All right, so as you do this, it's gonna give you a lot, by the way. I have 2 cucumbers out, but I think 1 cucumber is gonna be enough for me and hubby. All right, so now if the kids were here or whatever, I'd do a few of these, but the crack sauce is the magic here, okay? And like I said, it doesn't have to be just on salad. You can use it in freaking everything. This sauce is, oh my God. I can't wait for you to try it. In fact, when you do try it, comment below because I know you are gonna be addicted. I'm just saying, I already told you. I don't know if you guys know this little trick, but I bought these beautiful baby carrots and they were actually feeling kind of like soft to me and I did not like that. So I stick them in ice cold water and it makes them nice and crispy again. Yeah, crispy. And they were super like wilted. I should have showed you the difference. I'm just gonna take this julienne peeler. Again, don't feel like doing anything. I'm just gonna peel this. All right. And all I'm gonna do is peel this into strips. You can cut it, peel it, do whatever you do. Do whatever you wanna put in your salad. This just happens to be the salad I am building today because I was seriously in a mood for salad. So, see, into julienne strips. I only need a few, like maybe 1 or 2 little baby carrots. All good in the hood, right? And they go. I'll do this one too since it's already out. Take these, pull them apart, pull the little juliennes apart. I'll cut those later or eat them. All right, in here, I'm gonna put some green onion. I already cut it up, just into small cuts. I wanna put, I think I'm gonna put some shallots too. Got some shallot. All right, I'll be safe. Yeah, I don't need to see a gory movie. You're here for cooking, right? I'll make this a little smaller. All right. And we're just gonna cut up this onion, or this shallot, I should say, into small strips. In it goes. I was gonna say, where's my little garbage bowl? You know I always have a little garbage bowl around. All right. And I have some corn. I love corn. Hubby loves corn. We bought corn. Let's use the corn, okay? Now, usually when I cut corn, I like to cut it on the cob. So I take a bowl and then I just use another bowl upside down so it can kind of hold it steady for me. You don't have to do this. It just is what I do. So I'm gonna go all the way around this corn, cut off all this corn. This is just gonna be a quick dinner for me and hubby because I didn't feel like cooking, like going into a big meal. So we're gonna eat this, and we had some leftovers from last night. So we're gonna eat the leftovers from last night and the corn salad for today. That's what we're doing, okay? Because ain't nobody trying to be cooking all day. Not today anyway. I love cooking. It's my life, it's my job, it's my passion. But I have had the busiest week with my beautiful students graduating. So proud of them. And they did such an amazing job. Holy cow. They did so good. Shout out to y'all. If you're watching, shout out to you, Cohort 5. You guys did an amazing job. So proud of every one of you. Okay. All right, now you grab the corn that ran away. All right, and that is your corn on the cob. See how they gave me flowers? They gave me so many things. It was such a beautiful thing. Oh, all right, in here, corn. All right, we're gonna try to be a little stingy right now because I wanna be able to shake it in there, right? Okay, where's and some scrimps. All right, I got some scrimps. All I did was cook them in a little bit of olive oil. That's all I did, and all I'm gonna do now is just rough chop them real quick. Make sure they're good. Always check for poison. Okay, and here they go. All right, now put your scrimps in here. All right, now let's see if we can do this, right? I'm gonna put some sauce. Oh my God. And hopefully we have some room to shake this up. I don't know, this looks kind of full to me, but we gonna try. Okay, it's working. Shake, shake, shake. All right, you don't need to sit me and watch me all this whole time, right? All right. Didn't go all the way through because it's so full. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Y'all. Do you see that? Do you see that? Okay, I'm gonna eat a little so I can shake some more. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. All right, crack sauce, y'all. Want some more. This right here is gonna get you a lot of people coming over for dinner, okay? this is this viral, amazing crack sauce that I made in my kitchen that my family freaking loves. We can't get enough of this. I cannot wait to hear what you think of it. All right, go ahead and go make it. It's super easy. Get everything coated. Oh my goodness. Y'all see that? All right, make sure you guys go and try this viral crack sauce. This is a curry crack sauce that my family freaking loves. We're gonna eat the heck out of it tonight. So make sure you guys go and eat this and enjoy. Quick, fast, easy, in a hurry, and amazing. It'll last in your fridge for about 2 to 3 weeks. Y'all gonna be eating like crazy. And you're gonna always be commenting on how good this is, because that's the comments I get all the time. Like, why can't you just make it and sell it to me? Well, now you guys have the recipe. You could do it yourself. Let's go do this. Ooh, it's so good.